Walking barefoot on wet grass is relaxing, energizing, and soothing. But there is more to it. Hi, my name is Ankita Arora and I'm the founder of Morphosis, wherein we do personal development and life enhancement programs for individuals, institutions, and businesses. And this podcast is all about connecting with the earth. As we live in the modern industrialized world, we definitely live on earth, but we do not touch the earth anymore. Today we work in high-rise buildings off the ground, we walk on wooden, carpeted or stoned floors, and we wear synthetic shoes. The beds we sleep on are elevated off the ground with a layer of deeply padded mattresses beneath us. We are strongly connected to the Wi-Fi and our devices, but disconnected from the earth's surface. This disconnection from the earth is making our bodies pay the price in the form of increased inflammation, accelerated aging, autoimmune disorders, increased pain and general sickness. The fact is that exposure to the ground provides electrical nutrition to us in the form of electrons. You see, the earth is negatively charged. It has an endless supply of electrons. By making direct contact with the ground, we refill our need for electrons in the body. These electrons neutralize free radicals in our body and act as antioxidants and thereby improve our overall health. Our feet are the primary link between our body and the ground. They have a rich network of nerve endings. When we walk barefoot, we draw energy from the ground, helping restore the body's life forces, very similar to how a plant draws its nutrition from the soil using its roots. Grounding has many benefits, and some include reduction of inflammation, elimination of chronic pain, improved blood flow to cells and tissues, reduced stress, increased energy, improved sleep, and accelerated healing from injuries. The practice has now been found to be so beneficial that top athletes and sportsmen routinely earth themselves to recover from fatigue and injuries. Well, once you start linking your body to the earth, you will yourself notice a significant improvement in your sleep, in your appetite, metabolism, energy, mood, and general attitude towards life. Let's admit it, we all have tried popping pills, changing our diets, exercising, taking supplements, and what not to improve our health. It is time to try this simple, inexpensive, and enjoyable activity for a larger well-being.